think Pakistan has reformed. Pakistan uh, has actually in the past uh, taken dollars. When dollars were coming, they were doing this dirty work for West, as they claim. Yes, that time there was a issue of Soviet invasion in Afghanistan. Now that thing has over the years is now past. Like even today, Pakistan continues to towards India continues to pursue the same policy of bleed India by thousand cuts. You continue to use terrorism against India as a statecraft. So I don't think you may have changed in the context of Afghanistan, but not in the context of India. What Bilawal Bhutto is saying, there is no change in Pakistan's policy as far as India is concerned. It continues to follow its establishment, the Pakistan Army and the ISI, the agenda of jihad and Ghazwa-e-Hind and bleed India by thousand cuts. So I don't agree with Bilawal Bhutto.
Sir, Pakistan is a peaceful religion. We do not want war. If someone attacks our Sindhu, then they should be ready for war.
The whole world knows what peaceful Pakistan is. Not single day goes in Pakistan without Pakistan army getting hit in Balochistan, in KPK. So there is no question of peaceful Pakistan and peaceful country. It is all bullshit. Every other day, their leaders keep threatening if we have half kg and 1 kilo atom bomb. So I don't think any responsible country will use the bogey of atom bomb and nuclear bomb against any civilian population of any country. Have you heard something like this from any authorities or any civilian from USA, Russia, India, China? So it's a rogue country controlled by its army and ISI. So I do not agree with Bilawal Bhutto's statement.